Hello, Elaine here with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this cute Valentine card with the free Sale-A-Bration set Adorable Owls. Here is my Adorable Owls Valentine card. It's a joyfold card, and so the measurements are 8 1/4 by 4 1/4, scored at 2 3/4, and this is 8 1/2 by 2 3/4, scored at 4 1/4. I've used some of the Country Gingham Designer Series paper that's part of the Country Floral Lane suite, and it's got all these cute gingham designs in Sweet Sorbet, Balmy Blue, Mint Macaron, and Petal Pink. So I've used the Sweet Sorbet and Petal Pink with the Adorable Owls stamp set that you can earn free with a $50 order during Sale-A-Bration. So here are the pieces for the card, and I'm just going to adhere this one to the back. Just going to stamp the sentiments. This one goes on the outside, and then this one is on the inside here. Since this is a Valentine owl, I'm just going to cut off the birthday hat. Okay, I'm just gonna roll up a glue dot and use that to add his little wing. So we're just gonna put a wing right on top here. And then we'll use a glue dot for the heart, and just slip the heart right on in there. So stinking cute. Okay, so now we're ready to put the card together. And there is my Adorable Owls Valentine card.